Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I'm understand English, ma'am.
Don't dance the chair, ate, please. Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I'm understand English, ma'am.
Are you 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
My cousin, ma'am,
Do you
works
know
in
which
Malaysia.
place she was designated?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, remind yourself that you come to work here and not to meet your cousin also at the same time. Yeah?
Okay.
Are you
Yes,
healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines and don't work here so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I'm agreeing.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Um, I'm I
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
because the good employer and highest salary, ma'am, in Malaysia.
Are you sure that higher salary here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Second time? Third time?
Second time.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Baby Rostarena. I live in Abra, Philippines. I'm 32 years old. I have two kids. I'm separated. My work experience in Saudi Arabia in 7 years, ma'am. As a domestic helper, as
Okay,
a father, and one baby.
I need to know some few more details from you first. When is your birthday?
May 30, 1992.
What is your height and your weight?
Weight, ma'am, 65, height, 4'10".
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Your educational background?
High school graduate,
You
ma'am.
mentioned that you got two kids and you are separated with your husband. So do you have your boyfriend right now or what?
No,
So you are single parent.
single parents.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your kids once you come to work here?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Farmer, ma'am.
How old is she? How old is your mother?
Um, 61, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Five, ma'am. Five brother and one sister.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Third, ma'am.
Third. So you mentioned just a while ago that you have a working experience in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You worked there for 7 years. What year did you started working there and what year did you finish your contract?
Starting of 2018, ma'am, and then last 2025.
What month?
January, ma'am.
What in what year in 2018 you start? I mean in what month did you start year 2018?
January 8, ma'am, starting 2018 and finish January 23, 2025.
Okay. So is it one employer only?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in KSA?
Taking care of children, ma'am, taking
Okay.
care of elderly, cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, gardening, and car washing.
Oh. How many children you take care?
One, ma'am.
How old is the child?
Uh, 5 years old, ma'am.
Okay, you mentioned also that you take care an elderly, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
65.
female or male?
Female, ma'am.
How old is she?
65, ma'am.
65 years old. What happened? Why you go back in the Philippines? You've been working for them for 7 years and right now you wanted to reapply in other countries. Why you didn't continue working with your employer in KSA?
Finish contract.
Just finish contract. You've been working
Yes.
for them for 7 years.
I
What comes into your mind that you don't want to work with them already? Why you didn't continue with them?
no unders for the salary, ma'am.
Oh, no increase for your salary.
For salary.
Okay, so being an OFW, being a domestic helper is not new for you already, right? You knew all those things already. What are the preferences of the employers? But of course, we don't want you that you will going to compare KSA and Malaysia because it's quite different. Culture, also the rules and regulations, okay? But
Okay.
my question is, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? Okay, are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take care elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will going to sign a 2 years contract and you know it, right? Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations? Are you sure? Yes.
I'm okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree our rules and regulations. If you agree, it's okay, you can come and you need to work properly. Don't give us problem, don't give us trouble. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or maybe find other job opportunities in other countries, okay?
I'm agree, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations. And if there is any problems or any concerns about your employer, you inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness? How do you handle your homesick?
Focus work, ma'am. And
Okay, so we always need to humble ourselves. Always remind that, okay? Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, and most especially you are separated with your husband and you are now a single parent, okay? I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you. They conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.